This is the Seasons of Creativity box for June of 2024, and I'm going to go through all the different kits that you would get if you were to be a part of the Seasons of Creativity subscription box. This June 2024 subscription for this one, it is sold out, but if you get in for the October one, then you're automatically in then. This, the next opening to join, I believe it's a 1-year commitment, but I think that's what it is. But June 10th, it will be open, and I'm sure it will go fast. So you want to make sure you go to the Country Craft Creations website if you're interested. When you see all this great stuff and what they do for this subscription box, you're going to love all the different things you get. So the kit comes out 3 times a year. It's February, June, and October. So 3 times, so every 4 months. And there are usually 4 to 5 different projects you get. But if you go to the website, it will give you all the information that you need. But I'm going to show you this box just to kind of give you an idea of what comes in a regular kit. So every time you are receiving your box, you will get a different die set, and every designer will use it in a different way, or it could be a similar way, but we just want to show you to start how to incorporate the dies into your projects. It's kind of interesting to see the designers' different takes on it and how they use them differently. This is the scallop, or the one for June, okay? In the past, there's been different ones, but then you have it forever and you can use it on different projects. So this is that one. You usually get some sort of tool. We've had a tape runner in the past. This is the scissor. These are the scissors you get this month. They're the decorative border scissors, and so we use those on our project also. The one thing that I want to kind of talk about the most is the grab and go project. So that's when you get a kit and it's all in one bag, and it's usually a nice kind of like let's see, do I have one handy? So I'm not sure, this isn't the one. It's similar to these bags. Like this time it came with this real nice thick bag with a zipper closure. I don't think this is the one it came in because it's a little bit big, but they're similar to that. And in the past, there's been a different kind of bag too. But the purpose of the grab and go is that you have all the materials for the most part in one spot. So if you were going to go to a crop, or you're going to go to a friend's house, or have a weekend, or go on a trip and you needed something to work on, everything's in that kit. And that's the kit that I had this time. And so this is the project from the grab and go collection that you'll get when you get your box. I'm going to walk you through that here at the end of the video just to kind of show you my project. And then there are other designers. If you go to their YouTube channels, you'll also be able to see their projects. Usually there's a couple of the designers that are the same each month. Sometimes we, alternate. There's several different designers on Tammy's Country Craft Creations design team, and so we kind of take turns, so you get familiar with our work and the designers. So I'll show this at the end, the inside, but I want to show you the rest of the kit. So sorry for the crinkling noise. So one of the kits that you'll receive is the Photo Play collection. This collection is a craft theme, and the Seasons of Creativity box is season-based, and so not holiday-based. So I think that's important to know for those of you who don't need any holiday, Halloween or Thanksgiving or Easter projects. These are more generic, I guess I would say. This is the collection that Tammy, the owner of the store, is using. And she made a super cute project. I was going to just kind of go through the package, the papers just real quick. So I apologize for the noise. But you'll get a little cute bag that you should probably reuse. And you'll get your ribbon in here. It's a yellow and white gingham. And that's all that's in that envelope. The rest is the sticker sheet here, which is super cute. So if you've gone to some of her retreats, this would be a good project to make, to share some of your photos from that. And then the paper collection, just real quick, we've got a yellow swirl, and on the back is a plaid. And then there's 2 of those. We have some hearts on one side and some scrappy, crafty stuff on the other side. Again, 2 of each sheet. And I'm just kind of going through this real quick just to give you a general idea. This is again, the Let's Get Crafty paper. You have your cut-aparts. Like the paint splatter. And on the opposite side, I love paper crafting with hearts on it. This diagonal stripe and polka dots. And this rick-rack type look with some more crafty paper crafting things on the other side. And you do get this lightweight chipboard, okay? So this is Tamara Merrill's project. And if you go to her channel, I'm sure she's going to have a sneak peek of her project also. So that's number 1 here. A second one that you'll see is this one. Let me get the paper out there. I believe Debbie Alley is doing this one. And this is called by Simple Stories. Okay. It's super cute. Let's open this one up. Sorry again. I believe this is called The Little Things. So you'll get the page pieces. So it comes with these in that collection, or this little package. And then you also get some of the journal bits here. And so again, those are featured on the back here. I'm not going to take them out because you'll get them soon in your package if you ordered the kit. It also comes with a sticker sheet. And let's go through this collection real quick. This is real springy, fun, bubbly looking. And then these are your 4x6 sheets. Oh, here's the chipboard stickers also. So you've got some 3-dimensional look to your project. Move that over here. So this real pretty purple paper. I like the flowers. Again, you have, I believe those are 2x2s. Is that correct? Let me see. Yep, 2x2 squares. You've got some 4x4s. Okay. You have some strawberries. So very springy, summery. These are 3x4 cutouts. Some yellow daffodils. Journaling cards. The tags. I really like how they do this. Simple Stories does this where you can, they have a page of tags for you. So one side is more of a journaling side and one side is the picture. Some more spring, summer flowers with the peach and white on the back. A polka dot. Flowers with ladybugs. Black and white. You can always add black to any project, I think. Some lemons. This purple. Doesn't look good together. That's cool. And then on the other side is a real vibrant floral arrangement here. And on the other side of this one, I like how they do this too. You can cut those out and kind of put different phrases on there. We have another black sheet to go with it with cameras. I always love cameras on paper. We have this green background with flowers and then the real large flower pattern with like a newsprint in the back. Okay, so again, that's Debbie Alley's project. Project 39 is her YouTube channel. I'll remember to link everybody's YouTube channel at the bottom. So that is the Simple Stories collection. So the owner, Tammy, has her own paper collections, and one of them that's coming out soon, it's not available quite yet, is this collection that I think Tiffany used the 12 by 12. You've got this real pretty thick ribbon that's a stripe. You'll get, how's it many? This is the 65-pound cardstock, I believe, 2 8.5 by 11 sheets. And then let's take a look at this collection real quick. So these are nice. Some people are really into fussy cutting. I think if you have a Brother Scan and Cut, you can also, there's a way that you can scan it and have it cut it out also. And then on the other side, we have like a real subtle floral print. Now I know, okay, I know what this is called, but is it the Secret Garden? I think it's called the Secret Garden. It will be available on Country Craft Creations. It's just not available quite yet, okay? So these you can cut out. They remind me of bookmarks when I see them. They don't have to be used for that, but this one is my favorite. And I think that's the paper that Tiffany uses for the cover of her book. It's super pretty. Then you have some border strips on the back. And you're getting 2 of each piece. This is a great cover page also. Looks like a book, Secret Garden book. Well, it's supposed to. That's why it says by Frances Hodgson Burnett. And then on the back here, I always like words on paper. To me, it stands out real nice. And this is kind of a collage piece. We've got the suitcase, a hat, a little castle here. Then there's the back with a map in the background. This, I believe, was the cover of Tiffany's project, but look how cool that door is. I love it. And we've got some little critters on the back, the fox, the squirrel, and the, don't tell me, hedgehog, I think that's what it is. I'm embarrassed to say that I don't really know the story of the Secret Garden, but I'm sure most of you probably do. So this makes more sense. And we have our little farm animal, or our forest animals. I know a lot of you are animal people, so that's good. This would be good. It would be easy to cut in half and do a 6x6 also. And that bird is super cute. There's that. So you get a lot of paper in this collection. And then you're also going to receive a My Color cardstock sheet that is called Beach Grass. And it's got the lifted dot, like the raised dot on there. Okay, so that's Tiffany's project. And I think she did a really cool feature that you'll be interested. She teaches you a technique that you might not be familiar with. And then finally we have Michelle's project, and she used the same collection, just the smaller paper. Okay, so this is the 8x8, and it's the same paper, just the elements, you know, they look a little bit smaller. But it's the same paper collection in the smaller size. And then you will get 2 tags. You'll get a package of seam binding and some stretchy black cord. And look at here, you get a little journaling booklet. So her project, I'm sure, is a lot of fun and useful. I just love any kind of journaling booklet. So that's the other 4 projects. So I'm going to show you my project, the 5th project, which is the Grab and Go project. So we use the 6x6 collection. Okay. So this is raised on foam dots or foam squares to lift it up. It says, I love crafting. And there's some, I have another video that shows what was in the package for the Grab and Go. But this real pretty, shiny, silky ribbon. And then when you open it, the 2 sides mirror one another. And I just made some real basic like bookmarks from scraps. So yours, you could do it like mine, or you could just use whatever scraps you have. Okay, just to have those. And then these are the closures. And then these are the dies. So the closure is kind of like a belly band. See? Okay, and you have 2 of those, and that's what's keeping these so that you don't have to use magnets or anything like that, so it's kind of handy. So these are the 2 closures. And like I said, these are the dies then that we received. And so when you open them up, it's a mirror image. Okay, I hope you can see that. And then inside you have a booklet that I just put a mat in, you little tuck spot here. And then when you open it, you have some 4 flaps. And on the inside, you can do your journaling, or you could add pictures. Okay. And on the other side, then we just have plain green. Now this can slide into this pocket that I have here. So here's some of the extra cards and cutouts. I just stuffed them in there. But you can just tuck this right in this pocket also. Oopsie. And then close. Whoopsie. Ooh, this one got glued shut a little bit. You know what? This is my prototype. Let me get the other one real quick. Just because I made a little correction in the pocket so that it would fit better. Let me move this off to the side. So there's those. Okay, let me take this off. Slide it down. Yeah, this is the one I went with. And then I just did a little fussy cutting here. There's the mat. So this is actually in the pocket. And then you just take that out. Okay. Sorry, I didn't know I had the prototype when I was doing that. And then I did tuck some extra pieces in there. But it just slides right in so it doesn't fall out when you close the book. Like so. And then it just bring those two together. And then put your belly band on. The other side, let's go through that real quick. Again, you have a mat with one of the cutouts, tuck spot here. This just slides right out of the pocket so that you have more real estate to put pictures or journaling. Okay, now this one you have to be careful because it's in the opposite pocket. So you want it to, when you're decorating it, and you have to remember the direction of your pocket too. Just a little heads up. And then here's some extra of the cutouts. And just slide that back in. This closes, and then you just slide your belly band. Oh, it's stuck on something. So that it stays closed. So that is my project using the Grab and Go kit. I think you're going to find that it is super easy and fun to make. Okay. And then, like I said, I just had some extra paper and put it in the form of a bookmark, and here's the back page. So I would strongly recommend that you go to the website to see all the specific details of the Seasons of Creativity kit. I'm going to link the pages, the YouTube channels of the people who are participating in this one, who are the designers, and you can take a peek at those. And you should be getting these, I think they're going to mail them out around June 10th, if I'm not mistaken. So I'm sure you're looking forward to it. Thanks for joining my channel or stopping by. And again, this is for Country Craft Creations Seasons of Creativity subscription box. I want to jump on real quick. I forgot to show you one thing. The way the book is made, it does have an opening on the front and back cover so that you have a large mat that you can work with also. And that just slides in the front and the back. So there is an opening. Oopsie. There's an opening here. You can see that maybe. And then there is one on this back cover too. So that's the inserts that I made for the front and back cover. I almost forgot to show you that. So just thought I'd show you that real quick.